Okay, well here it is. I've had so many people ask, what does your wife's panty drawer look like? Well, you're about to see. Let's pop into the walk-in closet. And she says that she needs to buy more clothes. Can you believe it? Look at the clothes she's got over here. Let's just zoom around over here. There's the famous drawer. Now let's open it and peek inside. Well, this looks like it could be her bra drawer. Let's just take a closer look. I think this one here is my favorite. Must be a defect. Well, let's look in the next drawer. Oh, there's all her little secret panties. Mostly cotton, lots of lace. All kinds of cute ones over there, aren't they? Here's one of my favorites. Aren't they cute? I think she's got more. Jeez. And she says she needs more panties. Can you believe it? There's her little pussycat panties. They're cute. Well, if you have any questions about her panty drawer or about her panties, email me. See you later. Hope you enjoyed looking inside her panty drawer.